70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days in a Britain backyard. Just the 70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days and you think times are hard. Just the 70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days in a Britain backyard. Just the 70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days and you think times are hard. Times were tight and sour. The letter A was sprayed in a circular. And everybody's head was getting shaved or spiked. My sister stitched her flares and made them better drain pipes. She was into adamant and wuthering ice. I was getting into madness and grip the bikes. Mom had to work late, I had no complaints. Used to get away with murder when granddad babies had to shoot the blade, watching out till the sun came down. Singing lip up factory, running wild through the ghost town. And all I wanted was the boots and braces. My ear pierced, no mom watched the races. She then explained that we weren't quite Caucasian, and we could see black children on some future occasion. Had to keep that stum. All my friends are getting brainwashed, and efforts towards stickers and scratching on the desktop. Just the 70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days in a Britain backyard. Just the 70s baby, early 80s child. Reminiscing about the days